Hey everybody! I'm here today to tell you and show you how to do an axe kick. This is great for Taekwondo training, so let's get right into the video, okay? The axe kick is a very specific type of kick. Now let me explain this to you. When you're using an axe, what do? Okay? You bring it up and down. You're going straight up and down, okay? Similar to how a hammer would operate, but a hammer is more of a wrist movement, whereas an axe is a longer tool that goes straight up and down like this. It looks sort of like that. So when you do an axe kick, your foot and your leg are going to do the exact same thing. They're going to act sort of similar to the motion of an axe. Now stay tuned until the end because there are a few quick tips that I believe that everyone should know when they're training for Taekwondo and learning how to do the axe kick. What you want to do is you want to get your dominant leg and you're going to come straight up with your foot as high as you can, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. Straight up, down. Your foot is staying in the same position. Straight up, down. Okay? Now, when you add a little bit of motion into it, what you're going to do is you're going to get a little swing motion like that. Just like that. Ready? My right leg is my dominant leg. Hop, hop. Just like that. Really quick. Just one. Just like that. And this is a great maneuver because you dominate the floor when you do it. You're taking up so much. Look at this. Look at how much space I'm taking up. Okay, and I'm only 5'7.5", so if you're taller, then you're going to take up even more space. It's also extremely powerful because you get momentum, plus you have to understand that your foot is something that is really tough, okay? Your foot doesn't have a lot of muscle. It's a lot of bone, it's a lot of tissue, so it's a really, really tough thing. Now, one quick tip that I really think is probably the most important tip is that we're not going down to the floor. I'm not going with my foot like this and trying to hit my heel against the floor. That's not what we're trying to do. We're going up and swinging through. So if I go like this, I'm swinging through to the floor. I'm not trying to hit my heel against the floor because that will cause you some pain. Okay? So I'm swinging up and then, so you can see my foot went back like that. Up, okay? Very simple. That's it. You know, that's probably the most important tip, but with regards to any additional tips, I would say you want to keep your stance as ideal as possible for the axe kick. I'm not trying to swing like this, right? No, side angle like this, just like that, okay? So I'm starting with a forward stance, then I immediately go a little bit to my side. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.